Let's say this is your company. You create a new service and you want to announce it to your customers, right? What can you put in the email? That's simple. So let's talk about that. So if you're starting out, what can you put in the email? It shouldn't be that different with the other one, with launching products, but let's start with the subject. Subject we are launching a new service. Simple. And then you be like, dear, and then you put customer name. I think I will do it right now. It's much better. So make it bold. Yeah, and this is something really simple that you can do. So we are quite pleased to announce that effective immediately, we will be providing a new and a describe service. Simple, right? And then you write down what the service is gonna be. So the new service will have the following key features. And then you make a list of the benefits for your customers. If you don't do that, you have a problem. List of the benefits. And let's say you want to, this is optional, you want to present the services or demonstrate the service at the office of your customer. You can say, remember, this is optional. Let me put optional for people. Optional. We can set up a demonstration in your office or let's say with office or with a Zoom meeting. Most people don't use Zoom, some of them use Google. So let's say free of charge. I'm going to change it soon. Free of charge for you to see how this new service can save your company problems. No, save your company money and prevent problems. This is optional. This is optional, but also option. Then at the end you can say, because you need to put a call to action. So we would be pleased to have the opportunity to work with you. Please feel free to contact us. Feel free to contact us. How? They can contact you by email or phone number. It depends on you, so you put it in there. It's that simple. Let's put the signature, and then we're gonna change some things about this letter. So in every letter you put a standard signature. In your email address or in your email account, most of the time you have a standard signature when you're sending this. So we have here, this is optional. See, this is optional, and feel free to contact us by email, or feel free to put in what you want. So this is technically it. This is something you can send when you're launching new services. Doesn't matter what kind of service it is, you can adjust it, but talk about the benefits for your customer and see your customer as a customer of a client. See it like that. Yeah. So if you have a question about it, just go on the Discord. The link is in there. You can see the link on the screen. And yeah, I'll try to answer your question as soon as possible.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be